Now, in today's video, we're doing a single product review. In this series, we take one product, usually available at the drugstore at drugstore prices, and we tear it apart. We look at the pros, we look at the cons, we do a deep dive into the ingredients, and we work out ultimately whether there's space for it in your skincare routine. Today is the turn of the Ordinary Buffet with Copper Peptides. This is probably the most frequently asked questions and product on this channel. Ever since I did a video on the 5 best products and the 5 worst products from the Ordinary, you guys have bombarded me with questions about this product specifically, and I aim to answer them all in this video today, whilst just giving you an overview of whether this is a product that's worth purchasing. Here in the UK, it's £28, it's $34 in the US, and for that you get 30ml of product. That's the standard product size for the Ordinary serums, and that's actually the most expensive product in the Ordinary skincare collection. Because the Ordinary is so affordable, it's so drugstore, actually £28 isn't that expensive by some skincare brand standards. However, this is the most expensive Ordinary product, and so a lot of you guys have been asking questions before you want to purchase it to make sure you're getting value for money, so hopefully you'll find this video useful. Now, cutting the waffle, let's get straight into it. Before I talk specifically about the product, we'll just cover what peptides are. I adore peptides. They are like an anti-aging powerhouse ingredient. They not only hydrate the skin, they trigger the production of collagen and elastin, which is what gives the skin that snapback, that firmness that we all crave. And they also transport trace materials and elements into the skin to help with skin barrier repair and renewal. So they're just a beautiful all-round ingredient to have in your skincare routine. In this product, you get standard peptides, which you can get in, well, any peptide serum or the standard buffet by the Ordinary, but you also get a 1% concentration of copper peptides. Copper peptides are specifically good at triggering the production of collagen and elastin. So if you're worried about the firmness and the tightness of the skin, particularly around maybe the jawline and those crow's feet, this is a product which is designed to help to maintain and repair some of that lost elasticity and firmness. As with a lot of copper derived products, it's an expensive ingredient to have in your skincare routine, which is why I think this comes in at the higher price point for the Ordinary than some of their other peptide serums, such as the standalone buffet and the Matrixyl 3000, which are both fantastic, but they don't have that copper in, and it's the additionality of copper which gives the higher price tag than the other peptide serums on the market. So what are you getting for your £28 or $34? Well, you get 30ml of product, which is the standard size for the Ordinary serums, and if you use it once a day, it will last you about a month and a half. You're getting 8 different standard peptides plus the 1% copper peptides, which I think really sets this product apart from the other peptide serums which are available on the market. You're getting a number of hyaluronic acid complexes within here as well, plus some prebiotic complexes. Prebiotic and probiotic complexes are fantastic at feeding the good yeast which sit on the skin, and so are a great addition to your skincare routine. I think all told, you're getting sort of a 3-in-1 with the probiotics, the hyaluronic acid and the peptides, so I'd see this as almost a 3-in-1 serum, which is fantastic. A number of people often say, does the blue hue and tint which come, is that artificial colorant, or is that a natural, because it does include copper? That is totally natural. This product, like all from the Ordinary, is fragrance free, colorant free and cruelty free, which is absolutely fantastic. I've been using this product on and off for the past 18 months, and I've definitely seen every time I've used it an increase in the firmness and the elasticity in my skin. This product is great at targeting that, supercharging that collagen production in the skin, which I absolutely love. I live for collagen. It's what gives you that wrinkle-free, taut and fantastically elastic skin that we all crave, and this really does what it says on the tin. There is some confusion about what you can pair this product with, so I'll come on to that in a second, but a lot of people ask, how often should I use this product? Well, the Ordinary say you can use it in the morning and the evening. However, 1% copper peptides is quite a strong concentration, and there is some scientific evidence out there that you can overuse these peptides, and therefore I tend to stick to using it just once a day in the evening. This allows you not only to cut back and minimize the total exposure to the copper peptides that you have to avoid overusing it, but also it allows it to fit into your skincare routine a little bit better. Peptides in general are quite delicate, and they can easily become denatured if you put them in close contact with direct acids and also vitamin C's that have a low pH, so are quite acidic. So I tend to use my exfoliators, such as my alpha hydroxy acids and my vitamin C's, my L-ascorbic acid powder by the Ordinary. I use them in the morning. Then in the evening, I will include this, the copper peptide serum, in my evening skincare routine. Straight after I've done my cleanse, I will apply this to the skin because it's best when it comes in close contact with the skin. I'll apply this product and then I'll continue to use like my retinols and my other products in my evening skincare routine. It will take about 30 days before you can see results from this. That's pretty standard for a topically applied product, and you will see a significant increase in the amount of firmness, elasticity and snapback that comes from the skin. It will also help to even out some of the textural irregularities that you might have in the skin and provide a really good hydration boost, which I love. This is why I think it's fantastic if you use it in the evening, because the hydration that you'll get from this product can really offset some of the dryness that you might get from the retinol that you'll be using in your evening skincare routine. So some of the common questions which I get asked about this is, what products should you not use it alongside? I've already touched on that. Definitely avoid some of the harsh exfoliating acids, direct acids, such as alpha hydroxy acids, glycolic acid, mandelic acid, but also salicylic acid, the BHAs. Avoid anything with a low pH. That also includes L-ascorbic acid and just vitamin C's in general. You can use some vitamin C's with this product, but to avoid confusion and really overcomplicating it, I just say use it in opposite stages to your vitamin C. So use your vitamin C in the morning and this in the evening, and then you'll just do away with any of the complexity and the confusion that can come from knowing whether to use it with vitamin C, your specific vitamin C or not. Some people do ask as well, can it be used alongside antioxidants? Absolutely, except for some of the slightly acidic antioxidants. And so for the same reason, your antioxidants should be used in the morning to give you that protection throughout the day, and then use this product in the evening, and then you don't have to have that complexity and concern around whether the antioxidant you're using will interact with this product. Overall, what do I think? Well, the pros for me of this product is the concentrations and the strengths that you're getting in here. You are getting 27% of this product is made up of the active key ingredients, which is absolutely fantastic. I hate it when skincare companies, put a big like retinol, but you look and it's got like 0.1% retinol in there. You're not getting it with this. 27% of, by volume, of this product is active ingredients, which are going to be actively targeting the things you want them to do in the skin, which is fantastic. 1% copper peptides is almost unheard of in skincare. That's a super high concentration, and so it's going to be delivering exactly what you want. I think the price is fair for what you're getting. If you think you're getting a probiotic, you're getting a hyaluronic acid and a peptide serum plus the copper peptides all in one, I actually think the £28.34 price point is really fair. And as with all Ordinary products, I think it's priced fairly for what you're getting in terms of benefits from this product. You will definitely see an improvement in the texture of your skin, the hydration and the firmness and elasticity of your skin within about 30 days, which I love, because if you're just using it in the evening, which is what I would recommend, you're going to get a month and a half's worth of use out of one bottle, and therefore you can see the results before you have to then invest in another bottle. So you know whether it's working for you before you then make a repurchase, which I like. Sometimes when you have to buy like 3 bottles before you see the results, I think, is it worth? And you don't really get that confidence of wanting to repurchase. So this, by the time your bottle runs out, you'll know whether it's working for you and whether you want to repurchase or not, which I love. In terms of drawbacks, I think obviously the price makes it not quite as accessible as some of the other Ordinary products. If you aren't worried too much about the firmness and elasticity in the skin, you could just start, or maybe you're younger and new to skincare and your skin doesn't need that much support in terms of that collagen production, you could start with the Matrixol 3000 or the standard buffet by The Ordinary, which are fantastic peptide serums in their own right, but don't have the expensive copper peptides added to them. So you don't have to buy this product. And I think this is best suited to people who are slightly, I hate the term mature skin, but you know what I mean. Maybe you've lost some of that firmness and elasticity and you're trying to regain it. This product will deliver quicker results than any other peptide serum on the market. And I think that's really where the benefit and the target audience for this product is. It is available. A lot of the Ordinary products do sell out really quickly. I've checked and it is available online, and I've left a link if you do want to explore this product any further. Either buy it or just look at some of the reviews and a deep dive into the ingredients. There's a link in the description box, so click that if you want to check it out more. But I would definitely recommend this product for people who have lost some of the elasticity and firmness in their skin and want to regain it. If you want to deliver a collagen boost to the skin, this is probably one of the best products to deliver that. I don't actually have the product on me today because I've actually switched over to this, which is the Copper Amino Isolate Serum by Neod. This is £10 more expensive, but I use it because I just prefer the formulation and I think you're getting a little bit more additionality of benefit. But if if you can't afford NIOD prices, I actually think this is a fantastic serum for supporting with the production of collagen and elastin in the skin, and is suitable for almost all skin types. It's oil free, so if you have oily skin, it won't be comedogenic and it won't clog you, which is perfect for someone like me who is breakout prone. And overall, it's a fantastic product I would recommend you have a look at and consider buying. I'd love to know if you've tried this product. Leave me a comment below if you've tried this. Is it a holy grail for you? Did it not work for you? Let's start the conversation. Leave me a comment below. It features quite prominently in my 5 best and worst of The Ordinary, which is why a lot of the questions came up, and hopefully this has tackled some of the questions you might have on using the product and helps you understand whether you want to purchase it and it's applicable for your skin type. I'd say if you are not yet experiencing that loss of firmness and elasticity, then I would actually not spend my money on this. I would go for the Matrixyl 3000 or the Standard Buffet by The Ordinary. If you are already experiencing that loss of firmness and elasticity in the skin and want to regain it, this is the best way forward. So either purchase this or the NIOD Isolate Serum. Either will work perfectly for your skin. I've linked both below. So check out those links if you want and think you'll benefit from this in your skincare routine. Wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.